Hello everyone, my name is Leonardo Chavarro. I am from Bogota. I am 39 years old. I am in the fifth academic period of telecommunication engineering. Well, I explained to you part of my life and what was to do the last vacation. Well, part of my family and the part most important is my wife. This is my wife. Her name is Adriana. She and me married 10 years ago, and this part is the better part of my life. I made me really so happy. Well, another part of my family, I show you my mother is here 4 years ago. 4 years ago, she died. Her name was Miriam. This is my little brother. Her name is his name is Andres, and my cousin Arnold. She's my sister. My sister is singer, and in this time she lived in Caicedonia. She is my aunt. Another brother, etc. I have 10 brothers and so many cousins. Uh, Maybe 30 cousins I have. Well, I show to you what was to do the last vacation. In the last vacation, really, I don't have money. I stay on the city. I stay in the city. I'm going to that place. For example, the parks. For example, the museum. In other places like that. Well, one thing I do it is the stay of the Diablo Festival in the Old Candelaria. The festival is attractive because so many tourists and many people stay there to view the different people and customize so many personalities. In this festival, and the end of that, the Diablos was burning. This meaning that the all bad things in the year disappear and only well things stay. Well, I am doing the last vacation. I going travel for different reasons. For example, I stay in the Florencia because of my work. I am work in telecommunication and install and set up some networking devices, for example, routers, for example, switches, in another way. Today, I work in the Claro contract. And I set up some configuration in the different plans for example, data, for example, telephony service, and other things. Well, remember my name is Leonardo Chavarro. I'm your classmate, and it's nice to me to see you and the fun this video. See you later.